Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 24.3B. I've entitled this video, Natural Resources and Economies of Australia and New Zealand. This video is going to cover pages 752 to 753. Australia's natural resources. Australia is rich in valuable natural resources. Coal mining is a major industry in eastern and northwestern Australia and also in Tasmania. Iron ore is plentiful in the northwest. Gold discovered in Western Australia in the 1850s spurred a gold rush. Precious metals, including gold and silver, are still mined today. Large offshore oil and natural gas reserves are located in northern Australia and also in the Bass Strait between Australia and Tasmania. Australia exports some of its oil and natural gas. Question number 1. What are 4 valuable natural resources that can be found in Australia? Coal, iron ore, gold, silver. Question number 2. What are 2 energy resources that are located in and around Australia? Oil and natural gas. The fertile farmland in southeastern Australia and other areas is one of the country's valuable natural resources. Wool, food crops, and other agricultural products are raised in many different parts of Australia. Timber and other products come from various species of trees growing across Australia. For example, eucalyptus trees are harvested for their wood, oil, resin, and leaves. Question number 3. How does the land provide another valuable resource for Australia? Fertile farmland, specifically in the southeastern part of Australia. Question 4. What are some of the uses of the eucalyptus tree other than just, the koala bears eating them? Well, they're harvested for their wood, for their oil, for their resin, and for their leaves, as you can see pictured at the bottom left. Australia's economy. Australia's economy relies heavily on exports of its many natural resources. Coal, iron ore, and gold are Australia's 3 leading exports. Australia's economy also depends on its exports of meat, wool, wheat, and manufactured goods to countries all over the world. Australia's chief trading partners are China, Japan, South Korea, and the United States. Australia's manufacturing sector is not as strong as is the manufacturing sector in several East Asian nations, but Australia has enjoyed robust economic growth in recent years. Unemployment is relatively low. Australia ranks 12th in world gas reserves and 11th in world gas exports. Tourism continues to be a vital industry. More than 5 million people visit Australia each year, bringing revenue to local businesses and employing thousands of Australians. During the past few decades, Australia's film industry has grown to international status. Question number 5. What are 3 leading exports for Australia? Coal, iron ore, and gold. Question 6. What are 4 other main exports for Australia? Meat, wool, wheat, and manufactured goods. Question 7. What 4 countries are Australia's chief trading partners? You have China, Japan, South Korea, and the United States. Mimi's trying to get into the video. Mimi, I'm recording. All right, let's continue on. Question number 8. What is relatively low in Australia? Unemployment. Question number 9. What is a vital industry for Australia? Their tourism industry. People coming to Australia to visit. New Zealand's natural resources. New Zealand enjoys one important benefit of its location along the Ring of Fire: easy access to geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is naturally occurring heat energy produced by extremely hot liquid rock in Earth's upper mantle. As magma rises up through cracks or holes in Earth's crust, it heats the rock and water within the crust. Humans reach this heat and hot water by digging and drilling. The heat energy is used to warm homes, to provide hot water, and to generate power. Another benefit of geothermal energy is that it is clean and does not pollute the environment. Hydroelectric power, derived from the energy of moving water, and windmills are other kinds of non-polluting renewable resources. Question number 10. What is geothermal energy? That is the naturally occurring heat energy that is produced by extremely hot liquid rock in Earth's upper mantle. Question 11. How do humans use geothermal energy? Well, they use it to warm homes, provide hot water, and to generate power. Question 12. What is a major benefit of geothermal energy? It's environmentally good. It's clean. It doesn't pollute our environment. Farmland is one of New Zealand's most valuable resources. Almost one half of all land on the islands is used for farming and livestock grazing. The grass growing on steep hillsides tends to dry out as rainwater drains down to lower pastures. Low-lying lands can become too soaked with rain, which is not good for most crops. The most productive farmland in New Zealand is in places where the soil receives enough rain but is well drained. The dark soil of North Island's volcanic plateau also holds ribbons of mineral deposits. New Zealand's other valuable natural resources include coal, iron ore, natural gas, gold, timber, and limestone. Question number 13. How does New Zealand use almost one half of all of its land? For farming and livestock grazing. Question number 14. What are 6 valuable natural resources found in New Zealand? Well, you have the following. You have coal, iron ore, natural gas, gold, timber, limestone. New Zealand's economy. During the past 2 decades, New Zealand's economy has gone through a major transformation. What was once a farm-based economy has become an industrialized free market economy. New Zealand's government has plans to continue to increase production of wood and paper products, food products, machinery, and textiles. Agriculture is still a key part of the economy, though. Products such as beef, lamb, fish, wool, wheat, flowering plants, vegetables, and fruits are exported and shipped around the world. One notable food export is the kiwi fruit, a type of gooseberry fruit that originated in East Asia but has become a symbol of New Zealand. Question number 15. How has New Zealand's economy transformed in modern times? They have tried to transform it from a once farm-based economy, and they've tried to become more of an industrialized free market economy. Question 16. What are some of the things that New Zealand's government wants to keep increasing the production? Well, they want to increase the production of wood and paper products, food products, machinery, and textiles. Question 17. What are some of New Zealand's other exports? They have beef, lamb, fish, wool, wheat, flowering plants, vegetables, and fruit. Speaking of fruit, question 18, what is the kiwi fruit? That is the type of gooseberry fruit that originated in East Asia, but now it has become a symbol of New Zealand, and you can see the kiwi fruit pictured here. New Zealand is not as wealthy as Australia, but it has a strong economy. It is 48th in the world in per capita gross domestic product, or GDP. New Zealand's chief trading partners are Australia, China, and the United States. Because New Zealand depends on export income, low export demand can badly damage its economy. As in Australia, tourism is a major industry. After the release of the hugely popular Lord of the Rings films in the early 2000s, tourists from all over the world flocked to New Zealand. New Zealand's film industry continues to grow, producing top-grossing films that are viewed worldwide. Question number 19. What are the 3 countries that are the main trading partners with New Zealand? You have Australia, China, and the United States. And question 20. Much like Australia, what is a major industry in New Zealand? Tourism. Thank you. Before we go, of course I've got something for you. That face you make when you run out of eucalyptus leaves. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.